So here is the Canon EOS 1200D camera, as you can see. Awesome design, very compact, easy to carry. The lens here, and let me show you how you can attach. This is how you can do it. Good for personal photography or for the travel purposes. Light in weight, easy to lock and unlock. So here it is for the mount, the card and battery socket here. This is the battery, easy to insert. It gets locked. The card here, you just have to press it gently. Very easy mechanism. All the sockets for the HDMI and everything, easy to maintain. Awesome compatibility. Easy to open the sockets here. The texture and color, as you can see, all the buttons here on the top. Very smooth.